Hey guys, yep, I know it's been a while. It's been a whole 3 weeks of a while. Yeah, I think that's been about definitely over 2 weeks since I posted a video. I'm very sorry to the people who actually care and who actually watch my content. Sorry, but I'm back. Kind of had a rough 2 weeks. You know, a lot of finding out information, a lot of like mental health problems. Because, well, you know, your girl got them crazy genes. Guess we can say it like that. So, anyways, I'm going to do my makeup today. Yay! Because I haven't done it in a while. Maybe. I don't know. And I mean, I do feel like I look a little rough right now. And I'm just like, this is, I'm like exhausted right now. Like, I'm just kind of like low. So all my manic episodes been happening. Like, the mornings are so bad for me. But I'll be fine then. Everything's okay. Yeah. So we're just gonna do some makeup to make us feel better, you know. Yeah. I know the world is extremely delicate and crazy right now. I mean, a lot of us are entering into the 5th dimension. And our eyes are beginning to open up, and it's a lot to process. And if you do have some mental problems, it's very difficult, because this is like getting emotional for everything, you know. Like, I feel so much, like, oh, like, it's crazy. I'll be in crowds, and the amount of people of energy, it will exhaust me. And like, you know, if something tragic happens to somebody, you know, I'll feel that. Like, you just feel other people's emotions and energies. And lately it's been really wearing me down. I've been having a lot of manic episodes. Thank God my boyfriend isn't here to experience it, because I literally just cry and everything. And I don't want to get into that, but yeah. So I'm going to shove all my problems into doing my makeup. And we're just going to start off with the brows. And I just use this regular stupid little brush from e.l.f. I don't know which way. It was an eyeliner one, but I guess I lost the cap. I literally just got it. And I'm using like a eyebrow thing. Look like it's been through some rough times, but just kind of to like fill in my eyebrows a little bit more, so they don't look like this and they look a little more like this. Yeah. Okay, now I have the serum, which I just kind of put over my eyebrows, you know, just to make them stick there. Give them a little more redeeming sheen, you know. Bada bing, bada boom, baby. You looking like a cat that got some brows today. Alright, I need to stop. Since I'm in this like ridiculous mood, I feel like I would probably end up doing a ridiculous eye makeup. And I kind of don't want to do that. Like, My eyes are looking gray today, so what should we do? I'm feeling like maybe something with my Zodiac. Maybe we'll do something with air. The air. So we'll do that. So air signs, which are a Libra, Aquarius, and a Gemini. My boyfriend's an Aquarius, so just 2 air signs together. It's not that bad because we're both just like la, 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 la. We're like go with the flow kind of people, you know. Like we're just so spontaneous, you know. It's cool. When air, I'm not gonna do like blue because that's more of like water. I think I'm gonna go with like light, like white, almost gray, kind of. Maybe I'll do a little drawing. Alright, sorry. Okay. I'm literally just like scrolling through these, like not getting anything accomplished, just fucking scrolling. Like, which one do I want? Definitely not gonna use this one because that's just not today, buddy. I'm thinking some Wanderlust for our air, and we got Illusion I might use, and some Frosting, just, you know, to get that little bit of air. It's not too blue, but it does have like a shimmery grayish color to it. And well, we'll see after that. Okay, so starting off the show right away is we're gonna use our Illusion, and I'm just gonna get that airy look. The Illusion, get the London look. Unbelievable. Just kidding. I have my window open, so if it's a little loud. And I'm also in my bathroom because it's the brightest room, and I love it because it's just loaded with plants. Okay, we're gonna do a little drawing right now. It looks like a little wave right now. Y'all will see. So look like right now. Be like, what in the f are you doing? What is that? What is that? That, my friend, is fucking wind. With the powers. Earth, wind, fire, water. Let's try for the other side. I don't know why I did this. Why did I do this today? Okay, so that's my win outline. Looks like absolute shit. This is already gonna be fucking ugly, I know it. Sorry, guys. Okay, I'm taking my frosting color from our Wonderlist and I'm gonna frost the shit out of this wind. I'm frosting the shit out of this wood. Ladies and gentlemen, I am not a professional Okay, I'm not a professional makeup artist. I'm a professional artist. I'm an artist. But, I mean, I don't know. You could literally barely see anything. Maybe you do. I don't know. I need good lighting. I need one of those circle lightings. Okay. Just gonna cover in the air like that. I'm hoping I can make a fabulous comeback out of this. So I'm just not looking like a wrench. It looks like wind. Hi guys. Man, what's wrong with your eyes? Oh, they're just the wind. She's like the wind. I think my neighbors can hear me. Dude, I'm embarrassing. Yeah, I'm still painting on this fucking frosting color. Alright, so I need to add a little more different to this. What is there to clean though? Oh my god, I found it. Okay. Oh my god, this is perfect. Not really much to fucking work with. What the fuck? Is this like the worst eye makeup I've ever done? I don't... Alright, you know what, we're gonna attempt something. I see glitter. I'm gonna use some glitter. Oh, this is so fucking stupid. I'm pissed I even did this. This is supposed to be my element and it looks like absolute shit. I've done fire before and it looked fire. I mean, it's just air though. Air is not supposed to be something that's too big. You can feel it, but you can't see it. Well, now that we've done that, let's put some fucking mascara on here and see where we go. Okay, so we got a little more of a wind blowing situation going on here. It kind of matches my outfit actually. We're almost done, guys. hopefully. Yeah, well. Alright, now we're gonna... Okay. My highlighter. Because I'm representing the wind. And it's gotta be windy. Now, I can't have that much of a bronzer, so I'm just gonna because you know I am the wind, but just gotta get a little something. I'm using my eyeshadow for my lips, just well, like no, it's gonna stay on there long, but all right. There you have it. I put on mascara. I didn't put my fake eyelashes on because I did not feel like dealing with that shit, but yeah, so sorry it's not as glamorous, but I did an element. I think I'm gonna do another one then, just not today. So keep in touch, y'all, and I'll be doing another element. So we have fire, earth, and water left. Kind of looks like smoke more than air. Well, whatever. Thanks y'all for watching that ridiculous video. I don't even know, but yeah, that's air. Please like and subscribe, and I'll make another video. Hopefully not after another 3 weeks, but you know how that is. See you guys. Thanks.